It's fine.
Okay, so I went through one of my obsessions, and one of them happened to be related. One of them happened to be related to old vintage cameras. So I got one, and it just came in the mail. So now we're gonna check it out. No, I don't have vinyl to record on it, but that does not matter. Cameraman, thank you. There we go. I'm finna open this on up. For the grand camera reveal, maybe even show the transfer cable, add a little suspense. That's probably not how you open this. That's how I opened it. Boom, transfer cable. Because how do you make the videos usable? I don't know. We're gonna try this out though. Maybe I'll make a video about it and I'll let you know if it works or not.
A whole video for
No, trust me. Trust me, it's relevant. You know, if you know analog cameras, you know about how hard it is to find a transfer cable. No spoilers, I'll pull it out. Heck yeah! Oh, this John is so fire. This is a Canon GL1 camcorder. It records on mini DV. We got the microphone, this lens, the John. I mean, come on. Is this not fi? Okay, that has to be cut out.
Not bad.
We even got all the accessories for a good deal. And this is how you know you get a good deal, folks. This is how you know you get a good deal. When the wires are in bands, that's how you know they take care of this John, okay?
Yeah, we should put a John counter.
I should put a John counter. Open the John out. Well, this John is the John. Okay, that's hilarious. 2 batteries. There might be a battery. Yep, there's already a battery on there. Thank you, Amari. I appreciate that. Whether or not these batteries hold charge is a whole different story. This is also a dummy battery, which this is also awesome. It has the same connector as the battery, so it goes in the camera. So that way when you are transferring the footage from analog to digital, which usually you have to record every second, one of these, plug it in, easy, straight from the charger. So check this John out, close up. Hold on. Okay, I think the battery's dead actually, I can't lie. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it.
Don't. Just don't. The tongue.
Stop!
Can't even back into this TikTok point era. Sorry.
How do you even take this John? Oh. I got the battery in. Never push it back down. If I've learned anything. Guys, I don't remember. I don't know how to get it back down. I don't know how to get it back. Oh, wait. Oh.
Don't push it back down, but it doesn't mean you can't push it back in.
Wise words. We're gonna get to doing some more Johns. Trust. Even with the handy cam strap. I mean, this is gonna be good. All right, this is gonna be good. I'm really excited about this. Filming this for the 4-day. Now I just need vinyl, and we're gonna try this John out. It rushed me. Let's see if we can get some review on the image.
Ooh.
It's working. Okay. Wait. Oh wait. Screen goes in the VCR. Do you see what I see? Watch the zoom. Oh, you need to try this. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm telling you. Okay, where your pointer finger is.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. So push forward.
Oh, that's good. Dude, that looks sick.
Isn't it? Hey Kira.
Wow, this is really zoomed in.
Yeah.
I
And then
love the quality.
I know it's actually so good.
Actually, does look really
Dude, you're gonna get some crazy good
I
takes
know.
on
It's
this.
gonna be so sick. Like, there's gonna be so much good footage from this.
What? Guys, what?
All right, we're back. I ordered tapes now. They just came in the mail, so we're gonna open these Johns up. Oh, that's gotta go on the counter. What do you think I'm at now? Like 7 or 8?
I think it's like 11, man.
It's a lot. Okay, but we're opening these up. I ordered them because I wanted to like obviously try and record on the camera, and I need them anyways. Opened. Brand new tapes. Come with me. Here we are. This is my room. This is where I keep my camera. Right here. Now just pop a battery in there. Turn the camera on. Turn the camera on. Hold on. Oh, the battery wasn't even in. Camera's officially on. I get a good shot of this. This is like the best part. Also the kind of tape that was previously used in the camera, because I bought it used. It's from 1999. It's obviously not new. So I'm using the same exact tape that they used. Something about the tape pattern that kind of gets in there in the machine and everything. You want to have the same one. So make sure you're always using the same brand. Get in touch with the dude that had it last, or woman. I actually bought it from a woman, I think. Dude, this is so cool. Since it's new, it has like... Dude, check that out. Old cassette tape unboxing. Also gotta remove your lens cap. I don't know which way this goes. Oh, yeah, though. The freak. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Action. The tape I was putting in wrong. See, Derek was right. You see this little arrow there? He was like, look, it's supposed to go down like that. But if you flip it over, it's up. So I was confused. But yeah, here we go. Oh, dude, that's so good. Let it go down on its own. Come on, guys, you know the drill. Never push it down. This is big. This is big, guys. This is big news. All right, here we go. Recording the cameraman. Hey! Oh, this is so sick. I'm so excited about this. I'll definitely try. Here's the playback. The audio is great. I'm gonna try and transfer it so I can upload it in this video. Oh wait, I'm filming upside down. Actively recording right now. All right, here we go. Recording the cameraman. Hey! Oh, this is so sick. I'm so excited about this. This is so sick. Okay. Well, anyways, there's a video of me like freaking out about getting a new Canon GL1. Getting my first mini DV camera. I'm super excited. There's gonna be lots of really cool footage coming out with it, so be on the lookout. Later. Wait.